If you are watching in YouTube, I have a breakdown of this video on my website, xlights.info. There is a link below in the description. We are going to do a simple video on downloading a prop from a vendor. Click on the Create New Download icon, which is a down arrow second from the right at the top icon bar. In your layout area, left click and hold down your left mouse button to draw a square. You should now see a window with Boscoa Studio LLC on top. Other vendors are also listed, but note they are not in alphabetical order. Some of the items in the list have a plus sign next to them. This will open a drop-down for more selections from you to choose. The minus will collapse them. Click on the name and it will highlight in blue. You should see a preview of what they look like on the right side. This will also give you information about the prop. When you decide on the prop you want, on the bottom, click on the button Insert Model. We are going to insert another model at this time. Now, let us move the model. Click and hold the model and move it to the new location. Now, we're going to resize the model. Click on the model you want to resize. You will see blue squares on each corner. Click on one of the blue squares with the left button. While holding down the left button, drag to the size you want. Now, let us talk a little bit about the right-click options. First, left-click to select the model. On the prop, right-click. You should see a pop-up. Click on Lock, which will lock the model from accidental changes or movement. You cannot move the model when it is locked. The squares around the model will be red to indicate the model is locked. To move the prop, you have to unlock it. Right-click brings menu up, then click on Node Layout, which brings open a new window. With most models, you'll want to maximize it with the square in the upper right corner. The top gives you information about the prop. The bottom of the node layout in a grid view. To exit, click OK. Now for the wiring view. Right-click to bring up menu. Left-click on wiring view. When you open this, it is set to the reverse view, which is the view from behind the prop, which is the side you push your pixels. Be careful to follow this wiring, or this is extremely important. To get out of the wiring view, click on the X in the corner. Now let's discuss one other option on the menu. Replace a model with this model. First, most likely, you will import the corrected model. Right-click on the corrected model, which brings up menu. Left-click on Replace a model with a model, which brings up a new pop-up. Click on the line that represents your model to be replaced. Left-click on OK, which will remove the model that's broken. You can resize and drag the new model to any location as needed. By using this process, you will not break your xLights sequence, and I'm sure you will find this quite handy. In a future video, we will discuss corrections for submodels, faces, and model data. If you would like additional help, you can always go to the xLights Zoom room. It is very friendly, very helpful, where you can just listen and pick up some tidbits.